Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create and customize your Facebook shop, right? It's very easy. You can see this is Facebook webpage, but if you're not able to find this, then you can just go to a new tab and here you can just type FB shop. FB means shortcut or short form of Facebook, right? And you will get this first link, then just click on here and you will ultimately come here, right? So if you just click on get started or start now, right, we will just click on get start here. We will get this option to create your shop, right? So here you can see that first of all you can just read this. You can start selling on Facebook and Instagram, of course, because Instagram is a part of Facebook, so you can just sell over both the platforms. And if you're using any of the platforms before, then you can just select. I will just click on next and check out our another website or something. Get customers a way to pay, right? So how customers are going to pay? You can just check out with Facebook or Instagram, or we can add a plugin such as Stripe or PayPal or something, right? Which I will show you. Then we will just scroll a little bit down and then we will click on the next. First of all, we have to create a page. If you have already created a page, then make sure you have login with the same ID. And here it will show the pages which you have made. If you have not made any page and if you don't know how to make a page, then I will show you how to create a Facebook page. First of all, we will make the page name. So of course, whatever products you are dealing in, you have to, I mean, it's up to you, right? You can just make any of the page name depending upon your requirement and your choices. So I will just write here Petso, right? And we will select the category. Then the category is basically pet store, right? And bio. For now, I will just write here I sell pets products, right? Depending, make sure you just give a description that what you in what product and service you are dealing in. Then we will just click on create, right? And it will take a very few seconds to load, right? It will optimize, and here we are done, right? So the Petso page has been created. Now we will just click on done, and here you can see this is our Petso, right? It is automatically selected, and we will just click on next. Once we click on next, we have to create a new business account, right? Then only we will able to sell over the platforms, right? Over the Facebook and Instagram. Business manager account names, I will just write here, right? It doesn't matter, you can just write your name here. Business email, then I will just enter my email here, for example. You can just enter yours, right? And then we will click on create. Once you click on create, we have to select a region, the country, on whatever region you are dealing in. So I'll just select my country here, right? By the way, if that Facebook shop is not available in your country, then it will not show here. Then I will just select United States of America and I will just click on next, right? Here you can see it will give you overview. We have created our Facebook manager, business manager, then our selected the country, region, and check out on another website. We will just select, right? By submitting your shop for review, you agree to sell agreement, right? So if you just click on this, you will able to read the agreement. If it's up to you, you can just read. All the information is given here. Then we will just click on finish setup. Shop is not currently available in your region because I live in India, that's why, right? So I will just change the region here, for example, right? And let's see. By the way, I've selected both the countries. Let's see, it should work this out. And I will just connect on finish, right? So in this way you will here I'm just facing a issue, but in your case, if you live in the region where Facebook shop is available, then your Facebook is done. After once you click on setup, they will approve you, they will send you a link over your Facebook notification plus over your email, and then you will able to sell it over your Facebook or Instagram, right? So this is it. I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, subscribe.